Okay, so hello everyone. Once again, welcome. So this is a new chapter, lesson number 5, lesson 5. The name of that chapter is Les Présentations. Les Présentations. Since it's a very similar to English, presentation means basically presentations. Presentations. Okay, so you have to present yourself or like some kind of things. So the presentations, so these are very small conversations that we're going to see les présentations, the presentations. So let's move ahead. Let's go sank is 5 है ना. Sank. Akash is saying je suis. I'm not using liaison here, right? This is actually Zandia. S and I becomes za. In is za. But I'm just gonna make sound differently so that you can easily hear it, right? Je suis Zandia. Et toi and you. These are basically phonotonic. ठीक है? Basically you, है ना? In the simple word, it's you. I am Indian and you. A means and. Okay. In last you will use toi. Toi means you. Toi means you. Tu will come in front. Toi is used in the last. Roger is saying moi, me, je suis française. See here, it's a beta pronotonic means when you give pressure to a particular word. For example, me, I am Pawan. Me, I am someone like this. Me, I am smart. Like me, I am strong. Whatever. See positive words for you, है ना? And say positive words for you. So moi, me, I'm a good student, है ना? Whatever. So Roger is saying moi, me, je suis French. Basically, français. Français is French. I am French. Akash is saying a Rohini and Rohini, a Indian. She is Indian. Roger is saying Emily a française. See, we have E in the last because she is a girl. Emily is girl. Roger is saying Emily is girl. They are talking about someone, right? Yeah, talking about someone. And who is someone here? Emily and Rohini. They are Rohini and Emily. Okay, Rohini and Emily. Now, they are not actually Rohini and Emily. They are Mrs. M full stop is used for Madam. Madam is madam, है ना? Madam, like Mrs. Monsieur. M is Monsieur. M is Monsieur, Mr. And MME. MME is Madam. MME is Madam. ठीक है? तो Monsieur, Mr. A Madam Verma. ये Mr. and Madam Verma है. And another is Mr. and Madam Landwar. We have two ladies. एक है Mr. and Madam Verma. एक है Mr. and Madam Landwar. So suppose she is Verma and she is Landwar. Okay. So she is saying, vous êtes française? She is asking, you are French. Now, what is this et? It's a conjugation of verb être with vous. You are. Meaning is are. है ना? Et is used for is, am, are. So with vous, it will mean are. You are French. Why E is there in the last? She is asking question, right? A female is there, right? So Monsieur Verma, Madame Verma is asking question. Vous êtes française? You are French. Again, Madame Lanoir is saying, we. Yes, we means yes, we. A, vous, and again she's replied yes. That means she do, and she is French. Now she is asking, and you to her, है ना, to her, and you, vous êtes Indian. You are Indians. You are Indians. Madame is saying. Now again Mrs. Verma will say, we, yes, Nous sommes indiens. We are Indians. They are Indians. See the earrings, chudi, है ना? Indians. Yes, we are Indians. Madame Verma is saying, Je suis avocat. It means, ये है Madame Verma, right? Madame Verma. She is saying, Verma is the Indian surname, na? I am advocate, or you can say lawyer. Lawyer. Okay? I am lawyer. I am advocate. A, since it's a profession, we are not using article here, right? Je suis avocat. Je suis avocat. A, vous and you. She's asking to Madame Lenoir. Madame Lenoir, और आप Mrs. Lenoir, आप क्या हो? Mrs. Lenoir is saying, moi, me. Again, monotonic. Me. I am medicine. I am doctor. A, ma femme, and my wife, L, a professor. Okay, sorry, Mr. Now they are talking. They are talking. Okay, these two person are talking. So let's suppose he is Mr. Verma. He is Mr. Verma, and he is Mr. Lenoir. He is Mr. Since we have M full stop now, Mr. So Mr. Verma is saying, he is saying, I am advocate. I am advocate. And you, and he is asking to him, and you, Mr. Lenoir, who are you basically? What you do? Mr. Lenoir, now Mr. Lenoir is saying, I am in medicine. I am doctor. He is doctor. Medicine is doctor. Always remember, beta, medicine is doctor, right? Medicine is doctor. And medicine, medicamo is medicine. Medicamo is medicine. Medicine is doctor. It's a profession in French. I am doctor. A, ma femme foyer. A, ma means my lady. Femme means wife. My wife. My femme wife. L, a professor. She is professor. Now Madame Verma, she is saying, Madame Verma again, ye, she, है ना? Madame Verma is saying, je suis femme au foyer. I am housewife basically, है ना? Housewife. I am basically housekeeper, you can say, है ना? That the person who take care of the house. So she is femme au foyer means femme au foyer. It's a phrase. Femme au foyer. It's complete. It's a phrase, है ना? All together they means house housewife, है ना? Home taker, you can say, home keeper. Just a farmer for ye. She is Indian. Madame Verma is saying. Emily बोल रही है she is saying just we another since it's a Madame Lenoir. She is Madame Lenoir. Emily is another girl. She is not here. Okay, she is not here in the picture. Emily is saying, je suis étudiante. I am student. Akash and Roger, ils sont étudiants. Now, why ILS is used? Because Akash and Roger, two boys are there, and since they are more than one, we will use they. Akash and Roger, they are students. So means are, they are students. Rohini parle de Roger. Rohini is talking about Roger. The means of, है ना? Rohini is talking about Roger. Il est grand. He is big. Rohini is talking about Roger के बारे में, है ना? निस्पा किससे बात करिए? एमिली से. रोहिणी इज टॉकिंग टू एमिली अबाउट रोजर. एमिली इज टॉकिंग टू एमिली अबाउट रोजर. रोहिणी इज व्हाट शी इज सेइंग. रोहिणी इज सेइंग कि इन ए ग्रो मतलब रोजर बड़ा है ना? ग्रो मींस बिग, टॉल. रोजर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं रोहिणी एंड एमिली. तो रोहिणी सेइंग रोजर तो बड़ा है. ही इज टॉल. नेस्पा इट्स अ फ्रेज. आपको ये याद करना है बेटा, राइट? मीन्स इजंट इट, है ना? इट्स अ क्वेश्चन. इजंट इट? रोजर लंबा है, नहीं ना, मतलब है ना, रोजर लंबा है, नहीं क्या, नहीं क्या, है ना, इजंट इट? नाउ रोजर आ रोहिणी, अब वो रोजर रोहिणी को कहता है आकाश ए मुआ, अभी रोजर के बारे में बात चल रही थी। नाउ रोजर इज सेइंग टू रोहिणी, आकाश एंड मी, वी आर वी आर टॉल, a twa, why s is used? Because here nu means we, and as I explained, adjectives always qualify the nouns and pronouns whatever they have, ठीक है? तो nu is a noun since they, इसको बेटा बोलते हैं आकोर basically, right? This phenomena is known as आकोर. You don't have to learn the word, just leave it. Basically the concept is whatever pronoun or noun you have in the sentence, adjectives must follow them, है ना? So since it's a plural, nu means we, plural, that's why adjective is also in the plural form. Okay, we are बड़े, tall, a त्वा, a means and, et लिखा है बेटा ये, है ना, गड़बड़ हो गया, et, a त्वा means you, सब phonotonic, and you a पतित, you are small. Now रोजर किससे बात कर रहा है? रोहिणी से. रोहिणी is a girl. Who is रोहिणी? She is a girl. If रोजर is talking to girl और उससे बोल रहा है you are you, मतलब रोहिणी से बोल रहा है you are, so can you see we have e in the last, patit, p-a-t-i-t, it's used for masculine, and p-a-t-i-t-e for feminine. why e is there? क्योंकि रोजर जो बॉय है लड़की से बोल रहा है. अब किसके बारे में? लड़की से बोल रहा है ना, दैट्स वाई पतित बोल रहा है, राइट? तुम छोटी हो, तो ए पतित, यू आर स्मॉल, अंडरस्टूड? रोहिणी ए एमिली, रोहिणी और एमिली. नाउ आकाश इज सेइंग रोहिणी एंड एमिली एल्सो पतित, दे आर एल. नाउ दे, व्हाई दे? क्योंकि दो लड़कियां हो गई ना. फॉर देम वी रिप्लेस दीज टू नाउन्स विद दे. रोहिणी एंड एमिली, दे आर पतित. वाई ई एस, वाई ई एस, यहाँ पे तो ओनली ई लगाया बिकॉज एक ही गर्ल थी, रोहिणी ओनली, राइट? हियर वी हैव टू गर्ल्स, रोहिणी भी है एंड एमिली भी है. as I just explained, adjectives qualifies the numbers and gender of noun and pronoun. जैसा noun और pronoun होगा, adjective will also be in that way, ना, वही form. So es, y es, e हो गया for feminine, दोनों लड़कियां हैं ना, रोहिणी एंड एमिली. ई इज फॉर फेमिनिन, जैसे कि यहाँ पे ई लगाया था. एंड वी यूज ऑल्सो एस बिकॉज दे आर इन द प्लूरल फॉर्म. पतित, प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज सेम. So this phenomena is known as आकोर. आकोर is used for adjectives. ठीक है, आकोर बोलते हैं इसका. बेसिकली क्या, whatever noun या pronoun, उनका जेंडर, उनका नंबर जैसा होगा, सेम चीज एडजेक्टिव भी फॉलो करेंगे, राइट? Very good. I believe these things are clear to you. If you have still any doubt, just let me know, na? And yes, it's fine. Then. Après une longue conversation. Après means after. After one long, big, long means long. Long conversation. After a big conversation, Mr. and Madame Lanoir, they are saying, say l'heure. This is L apostrophe is used for the, means time. Na? This is the time. Say l'heure. This is the time. That means they are gonna move. This is the time. Say l'heure. Au revoir. Bye bye. Tout le monde. Tout le monde is everyone. Everyone. Now they are leaving, right? They are leaving. कौन leave कर रहा है? Mr. and Madame Lanoir. Au revoir tout le monde. Bye bye. A means to. A means to. Bye bye to everyone. Bye bye to everyone. Roger and Emily is, they are also saying आदमा आकाश रोहिणी बाय बाय मतलब आदमा मीन्स सी यू सून, सी यू टुमारो, सी यू टुमारो, सी यू टुमारो, TOMORROW, सी यू टुमारो. Adama means see you tomorrow. Akash and Rohini. Chapter is finished. The explanation part is finished. Okay, now you have some vocabs. Nah, only have to learn important ones. Par that we done, patit, na, these kind of things. Okay, fine. Okay, now we have person. But do you know who is first person, who is second person, who is third person? First person basically are the speaker. Right now I am speaking na with you, है ना, I am teaching you, so I am the first person. Okay, I am the first person. The speaker is the first person. अब जिससे बात कर रहे हैं, now you are listening me, that means I am talking to you, you are listening me, you are the second person. Okay, so in first we have two types of first person in French: je for I, and nu, plural of je, plural of je, plural of je, that means we. They are first person. We have second person. Second person कौन से? तू, जिससे बात करते हैं, या तो तुम, you, तुम बोलता है ना बेसिकली इन हिंदी, तुम, है ना. इट्स अ इनफॉर्मल वे. तुम इज इनफॉर्मल वे. आप इज अ रिस्पेक्टफुल वर्ड. फॉर्मल वे, दैट इज वू, वू. Tew, and the plural of tew is also woo. It's a plural form, you can say plural, or it is also similar, but when we use it in the singular form, when we have to say aap koi bada ho, then है ना, then it will be singular. Tew is used for singulars. And informal, it's a informal, जब दोस्तों दोस्तों से बात करनी हो, जिसको आप जानते हो, right? And वो whenever you don't know the person. And what, who are third person? जिसके बारे में बात की जाए, है ना, द पर्सन टू होम वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. जैसे कि वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, किसके बारे में बात कर लें, और फ्रांस के इमैनुअल मैक्रों की बात कर लेते हैं. इज अ प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ फ्रांस, है ना, ठीक है ना. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मोदी जी, हेलो मोदी जी, ना, whatever. So they are third person for, they are not present here, right? And we are talking about someone, so those are the third person. They may be plural as well, ठीक है. like you can say Germans, you know, Germans are technically very sound now. They are like having good technical skills, you can say. Now Germans, we are referring them, right? So they are plural. IS will be used, that means they, or we have ELLES. These are the plural forms. And similar form, as I just mentioned, Emmanuel Macron, president of France, है ना, Emmanuel Macron, president of France. तो il singular, it's again third person singular के लिए. And L कोई लड़की मान लो, for example नीता अंबानी जी, she is very rich, है ना, तो L, she is not present here, है ना, but we are talking about her, ना, तो L. They are similar, they are the plural third person. So these things are this o and no. O, it's used in general way, and no, it's a formal way kind of thing. So often used, है ना. O is, we often use it, है ना. And okay, is equivalent, as I just explained, right? Conjugations. Okay, adjectives को plural just add as simply, है ना. Plural, pati patit, घ्रों घ्रों, same. Then feminine, I just mentioned you, this is accord, accord, you know, what is accord? Basically, if word is feminine, you will add es, es in the adjectives as well, so that you can qualify the nouns and pronouns. Now exercise part, complete with verb être. You, if you know the conjugation of être, it's very easy. L के साथ we use est, il, est, tu, es. This is verb être. être कब यूज होती है? is, am, are के लिए. She is secretary. He is lawyer. ठीक है, होगा lawyer. You are French, है ना. Vous êtes, je suis, Jack A. Roger, both are boys, that's why ILS. Michelle, A. moi, V हो गया, right? Marie, A. Sophie, both are girls, L. Now whatever conjugation you have, according to those conjugation you will write the pronouns. ठीक है? So these things are done. No, some you just need to write the pronouns or verb conjugation basically है ना, and conjugation of एत्र, and pronouns, whatever verb is there just use pronouns. Now make plural. Jug a plural is nu, and this swim is m. With woo we use r, so we have to use the conjugation according to that na, and these adjectives must qualify those words also. So nu, some, why s is there here, we don't have s, right? You can see I-E-N only, right? Why we don't have s here? Because germ is I, it's a similar, and since it's an adjective qualifies the noun or pronoun, so it's similar, that's why no s or no plural form. Now nu, it's a plural word. We, that's why we have s in the last, right? Il, we have s, why it's a plural. Adjectives are qualifying noun or pronoun, right? Or say it's a like this spelling is same for singular as well as for plural, so no need to change, same spelling na? Since we already have s, will not change it. L, singular L है ना, plural would be extra s लगा दो. This is she, third person plural, L. He, third person plural, they. So verbs are according to this, and adjectives also qualify the nouns or pronouns. Tu का plural वो. Now feminine form, uh, ill, ill का feminine L, and grand only S. Why? Because this adjective is qualifying this. It's a masculine form ill. That's why only S. Why ES? E is for feminine and S is for plural. So she, they are girls, na, right? So we added E for girl and extra S for plural. Girls wala plural. Il est Italian. So LA Italian. You change the form. He is Italian. She is Italian. If IEN is there in the last, we will add an E. Mr. Lenoir is content means happy, है ना. Madame Lenoir a content, why E? क्योंकि अब ये madame बन गई है ना, right? मैडम बन गई है, right? Madame. So we'll write extra E to make it feminine. Ils sont anglais, elles sont anglaises. Why ES? Feminine वाला plural. E for feminine, S for plural. Feminine वाला plural. Adjective will qualify this pronoun, है ना. Il est jaune, elle est jaune. Since we already have E, will not change it, है ना. We don't need to change it. These endings that you are writing, है ना, that you qualify according to noun and pronoun, transformation of these adjectives, this phenomena is called as आकर, right? Basically जो आपकी बुक में लिखा है लाकर. Why L apostrophe? Article see here, that thing I just explained. Feminine plural ES, E for feminine, S for plural. Masculine plural only S. Feminine singular only E. So this chapter is completed. I hope you all have understood it well. Do let me know your comments and like your doubts and all, whatever. And yeah, would happy to help you out. Bye bye, take care and study hard. Voila, au revoir.